Head.
Head.
I wear a hat on my head when it is sunny. Hair.
Hair.
Her hair is long and shiny. Forehead.
Forehead.
He wiped the sweat from his forehead. I. She has big brown eyes that look kind. Eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
His eyebrows are thick and dark. Eyelash.
Eyelash.
Her eyelashes are very long and beautiful. Eyelid.
Eyelid.
I closed my eyelids and fell asleep quickly. Iris.
Iris.
The iris of his eye is bright blue. Pupil.
Pupil.
The doctor checked the size of my pupils. Ear.
Ear.
I listen to music with my ears every day. Nose.
Nose.
The smell of flowers entered my nose. Nostril.
Nostril.
Air passes through the nostrils when we breathe. Mouth.
Mouth.
Please open your mouth wide at the dentist. Lip.
Lip.
Her lips are red and soft. Tooth.
Tooth.
I brush my teeth twice every day. Tongue.
Tongue.
He burned his tongue by drinking hot tea. Chin.
Chin.
He rested his chin on his hand. Cheek.
Cheek.
She kissed the baby on the cheek. Jaw.
Jaw.
He has a strong jaw and sharp features. Neck.
Neck.
A scarf keeps my neck warm in winter. Shoulder.
Shoulder.
She carried the bag on her shoulder. Arm.
Arm.
He raised his arm to ask a question. Elbow.
Elbow.
He leaned on the table with his elbow. Wrist.
Wrist.
She wore a beautiful watch on her wrist. Hand.
Hand.
Wash your hands before eating food. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.